Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to fix speaker not working on REALME GT 7T. So first, check the volume, make sure the volume isn't turned all the way down or just muted. So basically click here, click those three dots and make sure that media is turned up to the max. Now if this didn't work, then try and check for mute and do not disturb mode. So it's right here, now it's vibrate and now it's the silent mode, so make sure that it's set on ring and that the do not disturb is disabled. So now if this didn't help, then try restarting your phone, because sometimes it can solve those temporary glitches that might be affecting the speaker. So hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Now slide your finger upwards to the restart and let go of the finger. So I'll see you guys once the phone has restarted. So now if this still didn't help you, then what you guys can try is test the speaker with different apps to make sure that it's not one specific app. So for example, you guys can play video on YouTube, try music on Spotify, or make a call to someone to check if the speaker works in different scenarios. So if this didn't help, then try unplugging any external audio devices. So if you have like Bluetooth speakers, wired headphones connected by the USB-C, then they could be taking over the audio output. So how to fix it? Basically disconnect any Bluetooth or USB-C audio devices and check if the phone speaker works. Now if it's still not working, then try cleaning the speaker, because some dust, dirt, lint, it can basically block the speaker. So how to easily do that is by using a soft brush or compressed air. I recommend the second one to gently clean the speaker. Now if this didn't help you, then try and check for software updates. Basically unlock your phone, go over to the settings, now scroll down until you see system and update, and here click software update. Now it will check for updates automatically, so you don't have to worry about anything. As you guys can see, I run the latest version of the REALME UI, and if your version is not up to date, then I recommend you updating it, because if an update is available, then simply you need to download it to ensure that you do not have software glitches that could cause those audio issues. So yeah, now if this didn't work, then try a factory reset, but first make sure that you back up your data before doing it. So go to system and update again, go to backup and reset, now click backup and migrate, and here you can create a local backup or clone the phone to another device. Now click reset phone, erase all data, enter your lock screen, password, and here simply click clear, and then your phone will be back to the default settings. Now if this still didn't help, then visit the service center, try and contact the REALME support, or visit the service center for further professional diagnostics and repair. So that would be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.